So, multiply. So, multiply lang natin yung numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So, 5 times 9 is 45. Y squared times x is equal to xy squared. Then 3 times 10, 30. Then we have y. So, yung 45 over 15 ay kailangan nating i-reduce to lowest term. So, saan ba natin silang dalawa pwedeng i-divide? So, kunin lang natin yung kanilang greatest common factor. 45, meron tayong 5. Ano pa? 6, di ba pwede? 7, 8, 9. Okay. 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. Yun. Dito, sa 30 naman, ano ba yung factors ng 30? So, 1, we have 5, 6, 15, and yun, papunta tayo sa 30. Dito, 9, 5, yun, 45. So, yan, ito yung kanilang mga factors. So, 45, meron 5, 9, 15, o yun, 3 pa pala. 3. Kulangan tayo ng 3. Meron pang 3. So, and then, papunta sa 45. Okay, so ano yung greatest common factor? So, yung pinakamalaki na common. Meron ko tayong common na 3, pero liit naman yan. Ay, meron pa pa yung 10 dito. 10. So, yung greatest common factor ay 15k. So, 15 yan. Ibig sabihin, 45 divided by 15 and 30 divided by 15. Ito naman, x. Expand lang natin yung y squared, magiging y times y. Dalawang y kasi y squared. And then y. Okay, 45 divided by 15 is equal to 3. And 30 divided by 15 is equal to 2. So, yung x, d9 pwedeng i-cancel. X. Cancel natin yung common. Natira yung y. So, the answer is 3xy over 2.